just want to say thank you so much for coming to the show. And I promise you this will just take one moment of your time. But believe it or not, this moment will be a memory for a lifetime. And there's someone very special that I would like to bring up on stage right now. And her name is Kitty. Kitty, can you come here? Thank you, Kitty. Well, thank you. And go. Now, you guys aren't the only ones being surprised right now. Actually, everyone on stage. Well, hey, Kitty. I don't got treats to give you. Everyone on stage is also being surprised right now because we actually said there was someone special in the audience. Kitty, you will come and fly out? But the special person is actually on stage. And she is the love of my life, and her name is Allie. You're gonna make me cry, don't make me cry. Now, I've heard when you love somebody, you're supposed to share it with as many people as possible. So, y'all, I love this girl. I wanted to do this now because I want everyone to know how much I love you. And there's no one else in the world that I would rather spend my life with than you.